Hi, third graders. This video is to show you how to use the website Typing Club. Typing Club will help us to memorize where the keys on the keyboard are so we can get better and type without looking. So here's our virtual classroom. You can access Typing Club by clicking on the Typing Club picture, or I will make sure that it's in Google Classroom as well. When you get to this page, notice that the website is called thecolumbusSchool.typingclub.com. If you just go to Typing Club and it doesn't say the Columbus School, it won't work, okay? Once I'm here, I sign in with Google, and I'm going to choose my school email. Now, there are two programs that you can do, and it depends on what type of keyboard you have. If you have an English keyboard, okay, just the basic English letters, you will use this program called Typing Jungle. If you have a Spanish keyboard, for example, it has the Ñ, the N with the squiggly line over it on your keyboard, then you need to do the Spanish keyboard because they're different. I have the English keyboard, so I'm going to start the Typing Jungle. I click on Start. Now, I can see all the lessons. It starts easy and gets more difficult. Notice that the other lessons have a lock on them because I can't do them until I pass the first ones. So I'll click on the first lesson to begin.
So, I hear you want to type like a pro. Let's start by setting up your finger positioning. Look at the F and J keys on your keyboard. Do you see the bumps on each key? Close your eyes and feel for the bumps using your 2 index fingers. Take your time, but...
Okay, so it will take you through videos to teach you how to do it. So our goal is to be able to close our eyes and type without looking. So you'll notice that on your keyboard, the F and J have little bumps on them. That helps you know where to put your pointer fingers. So the video will teach you, and then you will practice typing. So I'm going to go ahead and skip the video so we can see what happens next.
Type the key F.
So
to type F, press down with your left index finger.
So what we will do is my fingers will be exactly like their fingers are. So I'll have 4 fingers on the FDSA, if this view of the English keyboard, and the other 4 fingers from the J with the bump and on. And they want me to practice doing the F.
Type the key J. To type J, press down with your right index finger.
Okay, so then now I'll practice with the finger that's on the J, and it should be the same finger as in the picture.
Type the key space.
Then it has you
To
practice
type
the
using your
space.
thumb. Type the key F.
Okay, and then it has you practice. So they want you to do it F, 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 J,
J.
and it has you practice, okay? And that's how you use Typing Club.